I'm going to be showing you how to turn off USB storage on WhatsApp and fix internal storage required error on WhatsApp in 2026. So here's how to do it. So the first thing you need to know is WhatsApp does not officially run from USB storage. It uses internal storage in both Android and iPhone system storage. So the issue usually comes from low storage, wrong default store settings, and corrupted media folder. So what you can try to do is free up internal storage, which is the most important. So you can just try to open settings on your phone. As you can see, it's right there. Just go ahead and tap here. And after you do so, you just need to scroll down in general right there. And then you just need to find iPhone storage right over here. And through here, you can just delete large videos, old downloads, and unused apps. So WhatsApp needs free space to work. So the second thing you can do is clear WhatsApp storage. You can just open WhatsApp. As you can see, it's right there. And after you're here, you just need to look at the bottom right where you can see settings right there. After you tap here, you just need to scroll down till you find storage and data. Just tap here and tap on manage storage. So as you can see, it has used 6.28 GB. So you can just delete them. So you can just select the ones you want to delete, or you can just select all of them and tap on delete items. So there you go. You've cleared the WhatsApp storage. And now the third thing you can do is fix media saving location. So WhatsApp should save to internal storage. You can just open your phone settings, go to WhatsApp and check permissions in storage and ensure it's set to internal storage access allowed. And once you've done so, you just need to restart your phone. After cleaning storage, just restart device to refresh the system. And then you can just reinstall if the error continues. The important note you need to know is you cannot turn off USB storage inside WhatsApp. Fix is always storage cleanup and settings reset. So there you go, that's how you solve this problem. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.